In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to divide a line into equal segments using AutoCAD. This is an essential skill for any budding designer or architect, whether you're working on complex blueprints or simple drawings. We'll walk through each step carefully to ensure you can replicate this whenever needed in your projects. Let's begin by drawing a line. Depending on your project's requirements, the line can represent anything from the edge of a parcel of land to a basic guide for more intricate structures. Once your line is drawn, it sets the foundation for the division process. Next, head over to the command line, which is typically found at the bottom of your AutoCAD interface. Type in the command divide. Hit the Enter key to process this command. This command is a primary tool in AutoCAD for dividing objects into equal segments, and it's extremely useful when precision is required. Following this, you'll click on and select the object you want to divide, in this case our line. Press Enter after making your selection. It's crucial to ensure the object is not grouped with others when selecting, as this could affect your division process. The next step involves specifying how many segments you want. Simply enter the number of divisions you're aiming for into the command line and press Enter once again to confirm. Perhaps you need 3 segments for a simple tripartite division, or maybe 10 for detailed, evenly spaced guides. Whatever your requirement, this input is flexible. At this point, if you don't notice any visible changes, don't worry. This isn't uncommon. Simply hover your cursor over the line. You'll likely notice several small anchors or reference markers along the line. That's the result of your division. Each of these points indicates where the line has been divided into the equal segments you prescribed. Now, if you're still not seeing these divisions clearly, it may be due to your current point style settings. Point styles in AutoCAD dictate how these division markers appear. To adjust this, type P-type into your command line and press Enter. This opens the point style dialog box. Here you can select a point style that's more obvious and easily visible. Consider choosing a style with a bold shape or color to ensure your division points stand out. Once you've made your selection, click OK. Now, returning to your line, you should see the division points clearly marked, complete and ready for your next steps in design. And there you have it. You've successfully divided your line into equal segments in AutoCAD. This method enhances precision and is a core technique for creating detailed and accurate plans. Use these tools and tips to take your skills to the next level, ensuring all your lines are perfectly divided as needed.